So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video we are going to learn about how to draw a line in AutoCAD and what variations can you give to that. So this is the line command which is placed here in AutoCAD, and the shortcut command for this is L enter, which will give you first option that says specify the first point there, which is of course you have to give a first point for a line, right? So you just click on the first point and you just drag the cursor wherever you want the line to be. So right now the ortho is off. If you don't know what is ortho and how to turn it on and turn it off, so I have made a separate video for that. You can go and check it out. So for right now the ortho is closed, so you can just draw random lines in any direction at any angle you want. But if you want a specific measurement of the line, let's say I want a line of about 40 meters. Okay, this is a line of 40 meters exactly, right? So things like that you can do. And when you turn on the ortho, which is shortcut is F8, or you can press the ortho option down here, and then the lines will go straight at a 90-degree angle and not in any specific random angles. So this is how simple was to make lines in AutoCAD. If you want to learn about more, then follow to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like, share, and more specifically share with someone who may need it, right? Thank you.